Clause 3. There is no amendment. The question is that Clause 3 do form part of the bill. All those members who are in favor of the Clause 3 may rise in their seats. Count to be made. Please take your seats. Take your seats. All those members against the Clause 3 may rise in their seats. Members, 65 members have voted in favor of Clause 3 and none against it. So the motion is carried by the votes not less than 2/3 of the total membership of the House. Clause 3 therefore form part of the bill unanimously. Clause 4. There is no amendment in Clause 4. The question is that Clause 4 do form part of the bill. All those members who are in favor of the Clause 4 may rise in their seats. Count to be made. It's हाथ खड़ा कर दें. हाँ, हाथ खड़ा कर दें. हाथ खड़ा कर दें. नहीं, वो नहीं. जो बीमार हैं वो बेशक हाथ खड़ा कर दें. Members may take their seats. Members may take their seats. नहीं, बैठ के खाते. Members may take their seats. 65. ये होगा. 65 members have voted in favor of Clause 4 and no members are against it. So the motion is carried by the votes of not less than 2/3 of the total membership of the House. Clause 4 therefore form of the bill unanimously. Clause 5. There is no amendment in Clause 5. The question is that the Clause 5 do form part of the bill. All those members who are in favor of the Clause 5 may rise on their seats. Count to be made.